Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Mandar Deshpande and I'm the Business Development Manager at Getac Technology Corporation. Today, me and along with my team, our partner team, Third Wave Rugged Tech together, we have got this entire range of rugged computing to you. We have a fantastic product starting from a screen size of an 8-inch to a 15.6-inch, coming into different form factors like a laptop, a tablet, and a convertible. So apart from this, this could be used in different industries like automotive, pharmaceutical, manufacturing. Whenever you do have these harsh and rugged environments, we kindly request you to please visit us at hall number 1, stall number C20. As you can see here, apart from this, we have our newly launched AI-based products. I really encourage all the team members to come and see and explore our entire range of rugged products. Thank you.